Light Track presents vocabulary bird strike risk. We've had a bird strike on takeoff. Flock of birds reported at 500 feet on final. Caution, birds activity reported near runway 27. Flock of birds reported at 1,500 feet west of the field. Confirm intentions. Request holding area to run the checklist and prepare for return. Boost your ICAO level 4, 5, and 6 with vocabulary. Bird strike, ingestion, bash, flock of birds, deterrence, wildlife hazard. How airport control birds? Grass hate control, distress calls, trained falcons, laser beams, radar, and surveillance.
If you are here, you like the content. Don't forget to put like and follow or subscribe for more content from Flight Track.